Okay, welcome back. Let's move on to the second phase of the exercise. So remember I told you these two elements which are of paramount importance in this exercise, which is one, visualization, and second, abdominal breathing. So let's do the visualization. But look, there's plenty of energy in the cosmos, and Mother Earth stores so much energy. And what we're trying to do with this visualization is we're going to pull the energy from Mother Earth, move it all the way up from the soles of the feet, all the way up the legs, back the spine, all the way up to the head. So when we move the palms up, we visualizing bringing all the energy up. When we bring the palms down, we're gathering that energy from the cosmos. There's so much energy out there. We're channeling the energy through the chakra, top of the head, and that energy that we're pulling down is gonna meet the energy that we're gathering from Mother Earth, in the head, and we're going to circulate it here. That's the visualization that we're going to do. Okay, let's do it step by step. Okay, cool. Close your eyes and slowly visualize as you move the hands up, bringing that energy from earth through the soles of your feet, back of the leg, all the way up the spine, and all the way to the head. Now focus your attention to the cosmos and start bringing that energy from the cosmos, from the stars, all the way down to your head, meeting the earth energy and bringing it down slowly, pushing it down to the lower dantien, to that battery in the body where we're going to store it. And again, remember the tip of the tongue is touching the roof of the mouth all the time. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. I tell you what you will start feeling. Remember, when you're doing the visualization, you're bringing the earth energy from the soil, all the way up, and you're pulling down that energy from the cosmos, circulating here. You will notice changes happening as you do this exercise. First change, saliva will start flowing copiously, a lot of saliva. And that saliva it's got so many healing properties, which I'll explain later. Second feeling, you might start feeling tingling in your spine. There's a lot of energy being reactivated, coming through the governor and the functional, when you do this exercise. It's a lot of energy you're moving now. And the purpose of this exercise is basically condense that energy into this area. In Chinese medicine, this is the battery of the body. And if we manage to condense the energy and store it here, from here we can send it wherever we want. Okay? Remember, visualize that energy coming up, and from the top, meeting the earth energy, circulate it and bring it slowly, nice and easy, very relaxed, bring it down to the lower dantien, which is an area behind the navel, in between the kidneys and the sexual organs. Store that energy there. So, this is absolutely powerful and beautiful. So, you know the mechanics, you know the visualization. So now I'm going to show you the other element, which is absolutely paramount, and is the abdominal breathing. Okay, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in a few minutes.